I'm Cassie and I took the blacksmithing course. We made bee stamps, which I have in my pocket, and taking it through the process was incredible. Seeing it develop into an actual bee. I can't draw, so it was wonderful to be coached and guided through everything. I'd never blacksmithed before, so it was entirely new to me. Rebecca was amazing, and the camaraderie with other participants in blacksmithing and our neighbor metalsmithing, and it was just wonderful. And then the food. Definitely should have gone to yoga more because of all that food, but I'm sure I burned enough calories with blacksmithing as well. But it was, definitely go for the full meal options. It was everything. And the palette cleansers were great. It was just so much knowledge, and then so many other artists, and I'm gonna be a little sad to leave.